Dahil vacant ako, I will answer this question. Magtatanong po sana ako kung anong work yung pinasukan nyo. I'll be an au pair in Netherlands po kasi and I'm thinking to proceed for working visa. Is that possible? To answer your first question, since yung host family ko, may company sila, so in-apply nila ako ng working visa and yung tawag sa job title ko was conference hostess or parang office staff. Kasi we were advised by the lawyer na nag-process na mas okay yun kaysa sa cleaning, which is very common siya. I don't know how it works sa Netherlands kasi dito po ako sa Sweden nag-au pair and never ko na-experience yung ibang country. But in my experience, hindi siya agad-agad na nung nag-decide sila na i-apply nila for working na mag-proceed ka na from au pair to working. Indeed, it is possible, but what I can suggest you, mas maganda pag i-push mo muna yung pagiging au pair. I think it's good na enjoy mo muna yung experience ng pagiging au pair kasi yun all expense paid and free lodging and free food, di ba? Saan ka pa? So, nung time ko, after my expiry, hindi pa nga na-expire yung au pair visa ko, umuwi na ako ng Pilipinas, and that's the time na nag-send na sila ng application for my working visa. And I've waited 13 months bago ako nakabalik for a working visa. So, that's how long it was. But maybe because it was during COVID, but yeah, depende talaga. So, no one knows how long it will be. And that's good of you na nag-iisip ka na ng plano on what you will do. Pero, i-push mo muna ang pagiging au pair. And enjoy mo yung Netherlands. It's really a beautiful city. Yun lang po. Thank you.